Hello students, in this video we are going to see the formation of the quadratic equation. So how the quadratic equation forms. So it is basically the relation between the roots of the quadratic equation and the equation. The relation between the roots and the equation. So we know the general form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation, and we studied the formula how to find the value of x using the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So there are two options. One is x may be minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x may be minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if we will get two values for x. When we solve the quadratic equation, we will get two values for x. So let if alpha and beta are those two values, if alpha and beta are those two values, let us find the sum of the roots. So we have to add these two values, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this case, denominator is same for both the terms. So just to simplify the numerator, minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Denominators are same, so we can simplify the numerator. Here plus b square minus 4ac minus b square minus 4ac will be cancelled. Then what about the remaining terms? This minus b, this minus b. Minus b plus minus b minus 2b by 2a. So here 2 will be cancelled, minus b by a. So one answer will be b by a. Then we will find the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots will be b by a. Then we will find the product of the roots, alpha into beta. We have to multiply these two roots. Listen, this is the general form of the quadratic equation. This is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. There are two roots, plus or minus. Based by plus, one root will be there. By using minus, we can find another root. So if alpha be the first root and beta be the second root, sum of the roots will be minus b by a. Now we are going to find alpha into beta, minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we have to multiply. Just to multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator like rational expression. Minus b. So here you can look, minus b, this is minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Minus b same, that is considered as a. Then here plus, here minus. Square root of b square minus 4ac will be considered as b. So a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square using identity by 2a into 2a 4a square. 2 2s are 4, a into a is square. Now simplify. Minus b into minus b plus b square. This minus square root will be cancelled. Balance b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which is equal to b square, multiply this minus b square minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 4ac by 4a square plus b square minus b square will be cancelled. Then 4ac by 4a square, 4 cancel, 1a by cancel, so final answer c by a. Do you understand? So sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the root is c by m. I will explain little clearly. If there is an equation x square plus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, here what is a? 1, b 8, c 12, a b c. Okay, now we are going to write, listen, factorize and find this sum, find the sum and product of the roots. So if you multiply x square plus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0, if you multiply you will get 12, their product is 12, their sum is 8. What are those two numbers? 6 and 4, 6 2 are 2, 6 and 2, 6 2 are 12, 6 plus 2 8. So x plus 6, x plus 2 we have factorized. Then if the product of these two terms is equal to 0, then x plus 6 must be 0 or x plus 2 must be 0. Then x is equal to minus 6 or x is equal to minus 2. So in the last video we have seen the root of the equation. So if x square, these minus 6 and minus 2 are the root of this equation. If we substitute minus 6, it will be 0. If we substitute minus 2, it will be 0. So these two numbers are 0. So the two roots can be taken as alpha and beta. Therefore alpha is equal to 6, beta is equal to, alpha is equal to minus 6, beta is also minus 2. Now find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, sum of the roots, minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 6 plus minus 2, minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Then alpha beta, minus 6 into minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So if we look at what is alpha plus beta here, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So find minus b by a. Minus, what is b? B is equal to 8 by a. A is equal to 1, coefficient 1. So this is minus 8. See, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then c by a, find c by a. C is equal to 12. C is 12 by a is equal to 1. So this is 12. So look at alpha plus beta minus 8, minus b by a minus 8. Therefore these two are equal. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then alpha into beta is equal to 12. So we have verified using the sums. So it is by using the constant values a, b, c. If you want to find the sum and product of the roots, we no need to find the roots. Actually, using the given equation itself, we can find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா அதை சால்வ் பண்ணி சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதை ஆட் பண்ணணும், அதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்லேருந்து இதோட ரூட்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணால் என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும், இதோட ரூட்ஸை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். From the given equation itself, we can find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. The formula minus b by a c by a. Sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. So using this method only, so when we substitute this values in the equation, we can write it as the general form x square into x square minus alpha plus beta x